I believe that family-owned businesses are some of the best businesses in the world, but also some of the most dysfunctional. You know, if you guys can't get along at home and you bring that crap into the business, yeah, you see what I'm saying, right? And I've heard people talking in this room. There are I think I heard somebody going on a fourth generation of a business. That's incredible. Those are the kind of people you got to learn from, because I'll tell you what, there's a lot of small businesses out there that are really, really struggling because dear old dad has a set of values he learned from the industrial age, and the son has a different value system, and they're like this all the time. So dear old dad sometimes sees Junior as incapable of running the family business. This has actually spurred consolidation, this very thing that I'm talking about, because a lot of aging owners, they're afraid of uncertain times, and if they don't see their own children as capable of running the business, they'll just sell it. I've seen this happen dozens of times, which is fine. Some people have got a nice retirement out of this whole consolidation thing, but it doesn't always have to be that way. See? Another lesson I want you to take away here is if you are thinking about exiting at some point, start way earlier than you normally would on building a good succession plan. I've seen way too many fire sales going on because they waited, they never had an exit strategy in place, and sometimes a business owner will dump their business for a lot less than it's really worth just to get out, right? And then once you're out as a business owner and the kids running it, stay out, right? Don't go in there and meddle. Don't go in there on a Friday afternoon and piss everybody off and then leave.